Hey there. Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notifications. And this is absolutely free.
Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to another video. In this video we will talk about how to disable, stop and turn off Windows Defender and any Windows. If in case you are using Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 and 11 and you don't know how to turn off Windows Defender and multiple Windows, so this video is specially for you. And after this video, then you will definitely able to stop Windows Defender and any Windows if you follow the procedures and instructions which I am telling you in this video. In this video you will learn the two easiest way, okay, to stop and disable Windows Defender and any window, okay. And click here in the start button, which is you can also call the Windows icon, okay. Click here and write Windows security, okay. And this option you will definitely have in Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and so on, okay. So click here just Windows, okay. So and then click Windows security. Click here again virus and threat protection, just click in that option and scroll down. Click here again virus and threat protection settings, manage settings, just click in that option, manage settings, okay. And you need to turn off all these settings, real-time protection, cloud delivery protection and so on. Now I'm going to close that, okay. And another way to turn off Windows Defender, just come here, click here in that option, show hidden icons, okay. And the bottom, click here, okay. And just a sample, click Windows security icon, okay. And click here again, so just a sample virus and threat protection, and just scroll down and click here virus and threat protection settings and click here manage settings, okay. And turn off all these settings, just turn off, yes, yes, yes. So finally you did how to turn off and stop Windows Defender, you did successfully. So thanks a lot guys, wish you all the best, have a good and wonderful time.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment